Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the CapCut login tutorial. And in this case, I'm gonna show you how you can log in into CapCut PC. So if you are new to CapCut PC and you want to sign in, you can just open it and then click on sign in at the left panel in here. Then you'll find an option. There are three options that you can choose. You can sign in with your TikTok account, Facebook account, or Google account. So let's say I want to sign in with TikTok. So just click on this. Then after that, you'll be directed to the login page, the tiktok.com login, and then you can use you need to log in to TikTok in your computer first. So, for example, I'm going to use the continue with Google. Okay, so I've already logged into my TikTok and I need to authorize CapCut Desktop to access to my TikTok account. So you can just click on authorize. Then you can just click on open CapCut to continue your editing on CapCut PC. So now I've already logged into CapCut PC with my TikTok account. So if you don't have a TikTok account, you can always log in with your Facebook or Google account. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye!